Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a 10-minute morning routine. It's nice and easy, it's light, and it gives that natural boost of energy. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. We'll begin in a standing position with the feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees and tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. And take a moment here to become aware of your physical body. See how you feel today. We're going to start with a shake-off exercise. Bring your attention to your wrist and your fingers. Keep it light, keep it enjoyable, keep it comforting. Then go ahead and lift your elbows, shake it down. If you woke up feeling a little bit tense, stressed out, so this is the time to let everything shake down. Just any pain, discomfort, let it all drain down, escape from the body, loosen up. Very good. Lift the shoulders. Begin to slowly awaken the body, getting the blood moving. Lift and drop. One more time, up and very good. Next, bouncing into your feet. Lower back nice and relaxed. Good posture here. Shake it off. The more you can relax, the better. The more you can loosen up. Paying attention to your bone structure, to your muscles and tendons. Allow everything to soften. Turn to the side. Very, very good. Come up on your toes. Continue to shake and balance. Shake, shake, shake. Warming up the ankles, the calf muscles, getting the blood back up. Very, very good. Back down. A few more seconds here. And slow it down. Wow, that feels terrific. Just a few minutes of that can already shift the way you feel. Let's take a nice deep breath in. Long, easy exhale. To comfort yourself, to soften, breathe in. And out. Begin to draw your attention to your breath. Exhale. Once more, breathe in. Exhale. Very, very good. Then we're going to do the full body tapping. So starting from the chest. Here also use this opportunity to take those deep breaths, open the chest, fill up your lungs. Once more. Very good. And under the collarbone, go ahead and tap around the joint, starting from the shoulder. Go down to your elbow. And down to the wrist. Very good. Shake it off. Same on the other side. So under the collarbone, around the shoulder, down to the elbow, and to the wrist. Very good. Shake it down. Next, we're going to tap the belly. Six times one direction, and then 6 times the other direction. Very good. Relax. Lift your hand up, tap the side of the body. Once more. Relax. Same on the other side. It shouldn't be too hard, but it shouldn't be soft. So find the right balance that you can feel the connection, you can feel the touch. Relax. Very good. Next, as high as you can get to tap the back of the lungs, and then work your way down to the kidneys, just below the rib cage, and then lower all the way to the tailbone. So pretty much the entire back. As high as you can reach, go up, down, knock on the kidneys. Very good. Relax. Next, we're gonna target the sides of the body. So I like to just tap right where my palm lands. Give it a good tap. Really feel in. Then we're gonna go slowly forward to knock under the glutes. Down the back of the legs, behind the knees, all the way down. We're gonna come up straight on inner knee and back to the hip bone. Very good. How does that feel? You can shake it off. Staying loose, staying open. Let the energy circulate. And again, let's take a couple of deep breaths in, drawing fresh oxygen into the lungs. Exhale. Breathe in, feel your chest open, rib cage expand. Exhale. Breathe in. And out. Full deep breath in, one more time. Exhale softly. Very good. And go ahead and lift your hands through the sides. Stretch through your fingers. Then turn your palms up, go up. Directly above the crown of the head, lift. Come up on your toes, opening through your entire spine. Scoop above, and like a big wave, allow your whole body to soften. All the way down to your feet. Continue using your awareness to track your entire body. We go again. We open and stretch through the fingers. To soften, go up. Push it off the ground. Come up on your toes. Feel the power you have in your legs. Release and soften again. As your hands pass in your body, relax. We go again, we open. Feel a pleasant stretch across your chest through your fingers. Go up. Lift yourself by the crown of the head. Scoop above. Begin to soften as you come back down. Pushing this wave of relaxation through your entire body. Then shift your attention to the front. Lift. Same time, opening through the front of the body. Look out through your fingers. Scoop in front of you. And this time, relax your face, your jaw, your neck, and your chest, your abdomen all the way down. We go again. Lift. As if a big wave, lifting all the way to the top, opening through your body. Scoop above and soften. Paying attention to everything that is happening as you do this exercise. Very good. Then take a nice deep breath in. Then bring your attention through the center of the body, past your belly, lean forward. Scoop and lift again. Open, look up. Scoop above, bring it down. Following your hands, lean forward. Palms facing the ground, your back is nice and straight. Scoop once more as you lift. Open, look up. Scoop above and pouring it down like a big wave that is comforting your body. Allow yourself to relax fully. And take a moment to notice what's happening inside. What we shifted, what we changed, what we activated. The awareness that is spread throughout your body. The alignment, the position of your spine. Feel your joints being open. Very good. Let's take a nice deep breath in to finish. Gathering your focus, your concentration, and guiding it to your belly. The major energy source for physical health and vitality. Take a moment here to take a deep breath into your belly. As you soften and relax. Relax your hands to the side. Bring your feet together. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and energized, ready to continue with your day. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. This is good for algorithm. Share with your friends so more people can discover free Qigong on YouTube. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.